What's up folks, my name is Felix. Welcome back to this video where I show you which wallet tracking software I use to do my tax reports every single year. And you can already see the company name, which is cointracking. This is my preferred software to have all the right data, a solid tax report, and no struggle with the financial institutions. I want to give you a quick overview how, for example, you can import wallets and track your portfolio, added transactions, what the pricings of this software are, and how you can generate a tax report for 2022. Without further ado, we want to get right into it. So the first reason why I chose cointracking is that it is a German company here right around the corner in Munich. They have people which are available to talk to you in English, in Spanish, in German, and in all the main languages, as you can see here. So even Turkish people or Portuguese, Polski, this is all available here on the platform. The second reason why I chose cointracking is that the dashboard is very easy to use. You have a lot of functions. And the third point why I chose it is the pricing, which we are going to talk about right now. So there are different plans, the free, the pro, the expert, and the unlimited plan. And you have, of course, the option to test the platform for free until you get to 200 transactions or more. Then you have to choose one of the different plans. Those plans are payable in Bitcoin. You even get a discount if you pay them in Bitcoin. You can also pay in altcoins or all the other accepted payments, which you can see down here. And the longer you book the services of the platform, the cheaper it gets here in this case. For example, I chose the expert plan with 50,000 transactions a year because I got around 10, 20, sometimes even 50 to 100 transactions every single day with all my liquidity pools, with all the projects I'm showing on YouTube and all the other stuff. So I wanted to make safe that I have enough space left if my transaction volume goes up here. That currently costs me around 21 US dollars per month. And once my plan runs out, I'm planning to do a lifetime subscription here in this case, because I'm planning to use cointracking in the long run. And of course, crypto isn't going anywhere. And that's why I want to make sure that I can generate my tax report with a solid company with no complaints or issues at any given time. If you are not having that many transactions, I would recommend you to probably go with the pro plan here in this case. Or if you are a regular crypto user, you might already go with the expert plan with the 20,000 transactions per year. This is also very cheap. So for example, if you book this for 1 year, this is around $20 per month. Or if you just use the pro version, it is just 13 US dollars per month in this case. And that's a good investment in my opinion, to have all things sorted here on this platform and you don't have to think about your tax report or anything. Now I want to show you how you can display all the transactions here in this platform. Therefore, you just have to enter your wallet addresses or your exchanges. For example, you can import the exchange by a CSV data, or you can do it by API. That's what I'm doing. So I'm mainly using BitGet, Binance, and Kraken. And there you can just use the API keys here, import them. For example, if we choose Binance here in this case, there's a great step-by-step guide how it works, how you can import the API key and don't have to think about importing the transactions manually anymore. In this case, we want to import them manually, so you can do the wallet import if you use a Bitbox or a Ledger Live, for example, or a Exodus wallet. In our case here, we want to do a blockchain import. So the specific blockchain here in our case will be Arbitrum from one wallet address. That's why we choose Arbitrum. In this case, we just have to paste in our wallet address here. Yeah, we want to import incoming and outgoing transactions. Then you can label it. For example, I chose an airdrop wallet of mine, and then you can already click on import all Arbitrum transactions and activate the job. This can now take up to 5 minutes. It says here job saved. Then we jump over to the dashboard and it should take, from my experience, around 30 seconds. So, and there is already the data. We can see here on the top right that 40 transactions were imported, and I have currently a value of 56 US dollars on this wallet address on the Arbitrum network. There we can see all the data, then the tokens I have on this wallet, so USDT, Ethereum, and the bridged USDCE here in this case. And that's already it. You have a clear overview on what's going on here in this wallet. And now you could already go and generate a tax report. Before we are doing that, I want to show you as well how it works with the Ledger Live, because I know that a lot of people are using a Ledger. So you just go to the Ledger Live import. Probably most of you already have downloaded the Ledger Live software, and there you can get your CSV data and just import it here, and then your data from the ledger is already included in the platform. Then you can go over, create your tax report here in this case, and scroll a little bit down. You just choose the country you live in. For example, we want to make it for the USA, or in this case it's called United States probably here. Yes, right. There you have to know which method you choose, so which method is common in your country. Here in Germany it's first in, first out. I'm not sure if it's the same in the US. You choose the tax year. This should of course be the year of 2022, and then you can already generate your tax report. So if you're still testing the platform, you can just generate a tax report up to 100 sales. You can already see here there's a total capital gain of 3,400 euro. There has to be a mistake, and if there is a mistake in your tax report, it's very simple to fix it. You just go to manual entry, because here you can already edit all your transactions. And if we scroll down, there was probably a bigger transactions, as we can see right here. There was a deposit of roughly 4,400 USDT. I probably used that to bridge some funds over to other blockchains to generate some transactions for the airdrop farming. And you might probably want to label these transactions here in this case. So you just click on that specific transaction, edit it, and here you can label it what kind of transaction it was, if it was a income, a gift, a staking, mining, or all the other stuff you can see here. That's then completely up to you how you want to label it. Then you click on update, and then your tax report should be fixed as well. That should already do it for a first small overview of coin tracking. That's my preferred software I use for my tax reports and to track all my transactions. If you want to check it out by yourself, the link will be down in the description box. You will get a little discount if you use the link, and I will get a little kickback as well. So a win-win situation in this case. If you have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comment section. If you like today's overview, would be great if you can also hit the like button. That's it. Thanks for watching, and let's get this crypto.